Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. In this video we're going to take a closer look at a fundamental forging process called the boss. So the first step in making a boss, we're going to draw down a little tab of material on the end of a piece of bar stock, and then we're going to square it up to the original parent bar thickness. Your blows need to be exact when doing boss work or making bosses in bars of steel, as you do not want to get any double jumps or double bites. That's kind of the critical thing right there that you have to keep in check. Now, as you can see, I've created a nice sharp little corner and pulled out a little tab there on the end of the bar stock. In the next heat, we're going to go ahead and part off the bar even more, about the width of the material. So think about a cube of material. So if that particular piece of bar stock is 3/8 inch square, you're going to go about 3/8 of an inch long to make it about a cube of material. So over the far edge of the anvil we go, and then we start hammering down to draw that material down. Now that will leave us our boss on the top side, and then when we bring it back to clean up this area, it will also leave us a boss on the bottom side of the bar. This is a forging exercise in basically hammer control. Now you can use bosses in a lot of decorative ironwork out there, and there's plenty of examples that you can find if you just do a quick Google search online for ornamental ironwork. You can find a lot of examples in boss work in door knockers and gate latches. A lot of different mechanical parts and fittings need bosses in them as part of their initial setup for forging. But in this particular case, what you want to focus on is getting good clean shoulders and good clean lines and nice square bosses. So it's really an exercise in being able to forge two dimension. So it would be my advice, if you're going to be practicing doing boss work, is to lay off a piece of bar stock with some measurements about how far you want the boss to be, how large you'd like the boss to be, and then try to forge to exactly those dimensions using just your hammer and your anvil, and then see what you come up with. You might just surprise yourself with how easy this actually is, and how complicated of work that you can undertake just by adding bosses to your work. So there you have it. We're just going to planish that up. That's about this heat there, and that is going to give us a nice clean look with everything planished appropriately. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment down below. Remember to hit that like button. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, I always invite you to do that as well. And as always, God bless you, and we will catch you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.